Should I use a liquid or granular fertilizer on my gardenias?
Hello, garden enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into an important topic: how to fertilize your beautiful gardenias. A common question we hear is, should I use a liquid or granular fertilizer on my gardenias? Let's dive in and find the best answer for your gardenia plants.
What do gardenias need?
Before we choose between liquid and granular fertilizers, it's important to know what gardenias need. Gardenias prefer a well-balanced, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.0 and 6.0. They also need key nutrients like nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, often known as the NPK ratio, along with some secondary nutrients and micronutrients.
Granular versus liquid fertilizers.
Next, let's understand the two types of fertilizers. Granular fertilizers are dry particles that need to be watered down after application. They are slow release and provide nutrients over a longer period of time. Liquid fertilizers, on the other hand, are quickly absorbed by the plant, providing instant benefits, but their effects may not last as long.
Which one is best for gardenias?
The choice between liquid and granular fertilizers often depends on your specific needs and the condition of your gardenias. If your gardenias are lacking nutrients and you want quick results, a liquid fertilizer may be the best option. However, if you are looking for a long-term solution to maintain the health of your gardenias, a granular fertilizer might be the way to go. Do remember that over-fertilization can be harmful to gardenias. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label. To wrap things up, both liquid and granular fertilizers can be beneficial for your gardenias. The choice depends on your specific circumstances and the needs of your plants. Whether you choose liquid or granular, remember that the key is to provide a balanced diet for your gardenias. Happy gardening!